Introducing the Diamond Devil Terrazzo Restoration and Polishing System, a chemical-free, water-only solution designed to strip, prep, and polish cementitious terrazzo floors, delivering a brilliant shine. Step 1. Start with Surface Demon, featuring patent-pending floating heads that mechanically strips floor finish, sealer, urethane, and wax without toxic and dangerous chemicals, prepping terrazzo perfectly for polishing. Step 2. Achieve a mirror-like shine on terrazzo floors with the Diamond Devil 3+1 polishing system. Grind, hone, and polish to achieve a standard satin polish. The +1 Red Shine tool takes the finish beyond industry standards, achieving superior image gloss and clarity that will leave you checking your reflection. Maintaining the superior image gloss and clarity is easy with the system's +1 Red Shine tool. It cleans and polishes terrazzo in a single step using only water or a neutral cleaner. No more wax, harsh chemicals, or VOCs. Just a brilliant, slip-resistant shine that lasts all year. Transform your terrazzo floors with the Diamond Devil system. Contact us today to schedule a free on-site demo or to learn more.